Hello. Have you ever stumbled into an equation that had greater than or less than signs instead of the equal to sign? The unfamiliar equations I'm describing are called inequalities. If you're anything like me, the sight of this equation left you quite puzzled on how to solve it. Luckily, in my senior year of pre-calc, my teacher taught me the 3 steps needed to solve and check multi-step inequalities like such. Today I'm going to tell and demonstrate the 3 steps needed to solve multi-step inequalities, including simplifying the equation by combining like terms, then adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing the remaining inequalities to obtain the value of the unknown, then finally taking the solution for the unknown and plugging it back into the original equation. We first need to start off by combining the like terms of this equation. You would start off by doing 2 times 3t, 2 times 4. This would leave us with 9 plus 6t plus 8. Now you combine like terms, the 9 and the 8. Now that you have combined all like terms, it's time to get the unknown alone by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing to the other side. So you would start by taking the 2t and add it over here by doing negative 2t, negative 2t. This will give us negative 3 is greater than or equal to 17 plus 4t. Now, to get the unknown fully alone, you would subtract negative 17 over here also. This would give us negative 20 is greater to or equal to 4t. The next part is dividing the 4 from the negative 20 so that the unknown is fully alone. We would end up with negative 5 is greater than or less than t. Now that you have gotten your solution to the equality, it's time for the final step. The final step left is plugging the solution into the original problem. So, 2 I underline where the unknowns are, so that's where we're going to plug negative 5 in. And at the end of this, it should be either greater than on this side than the number over here, or equal to. Two times negative 5 equals negative 15. Negative 15 minus 3. this would give us negative 10 minus 3. Negative 10 minus 3 equals negative 13. So we have 13 on one side for the final answer. Now let's solve the next. 2 times, first you have to solve the things inside the brackets. That would equal negative 15 plus 4 would equal negative 11 times 2 plus 9. If you do this, you would get negative 22 minus, or 9 minus negative 22. And when you do that, you get negative 13. So we have proven and checked that the inequality is correct. As you can see, we got them equal to each other. Now that you've seen how to solve and check, let's briefly review the process. Remember, the 3 steps to solving a multi-step inequality include simplifying the equation by combining like terms, then adding, minus, multiplying, or dividing the remaining quantities to get the unknown, and then finally taking the solution that you got for the unknown and putting it back into the equation, the original equation, like we did. So the next time you stumble into an inequality equation, follow these 3 steps, and I'm surely that you'll be able to solve it.